Breaking news: if ECOWAS invade Niger Republic, we shall invade Abuja. Hello my people, welcome back to Barabas Gist. My people, if na today na the first day they come across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Oya, make you quickly go subscribe to our YouTube channel as we dey drop of hot update as e dey hot for that side. No be small thing o. Oya, make you follow us here. No forget to turn on your notification button for YouTube Okay my people, make we look into the ogbonge news wey we get for hand today. No be small thing dey happen o. They say Assisi, wey be the leader of Mali, he don come outside issue Nigeria very strong warning. He say breaking news: if ECOWAS invade Niger Republic, we shall invade Abuja to install the rightful winner of the election in Nigeria. We are aware of the winner of the presidential election in Nigeria. My people, this one now they call woto woto. Now they call woto woto. No be small thing. Think say other Africans no dey watch wetin dey go on for the country wey be Nigeria. They watch o. Make we waka enter inside Nigeria, make we look wetin dey go on, how something dey happen for the area. They say Nigeria army confirm government attack on military vehicle in Benin City, killing of a driver. No be small thing o. They say guys wey dey vex for Benin, whether they say they be government attack Benin vehicle, military vehicle, and they kill the driver of the military vehicle as well. So this thing is happening in Benin City. My people, things are really happening in Africa. No be small thing for Nigeria where we dey. Let's go and look into the next update wey we get for hand today. Government kill police inspector while escorting principal and cut away rifles in Port Harcourt. This fight between government and police people and the military men and other men in uniform working for Nigeria is becoming too much in all states in Nigeria. Things are happening. The police people are paying ultimate price in this particular violence that's going on between non-government with police people. Why? Because some truth refuse to be told. So since you people decided to cover some truth, so this is why you are paying these ultimate prices. So the earlier the better you people start to investigate oga on top who are doing bad and bringing them to book, the better for your safeties. So guys, let's look into the next news where we get for hand today. No be small thing. They say terrorists invade Kaduna State, community adopted APC party organizing secretary. My people, things are happening. They say the government don't go adopt this APC party organizing secretary. You know, say this particular thing where they go on, if you watch now, they are channeling it to the politicians and the police and other forces. So guys, now so we see now say we bring a content on waiting they go on. So let's look into the next bunge news we will get for hand today. No be small thing. They say Niger Republic military leader expel Nigeria ambassador over ECOWAS threat. And they don't give them Nigeria woto for their diplomatic ambassadors, for ambassadors of Nigeria where they their country. They don't give them woto for that side. No be small thing no. Nigeria, where are we going with this balabu moto where everybody enter this time around? No be small thing. Okay my people, now so we see them for the thing where they happen today. SERAP give Tinubu 48 hours to reverse banning of Vanguard, Galaxy TV, 23 orders from Aso Villa. For Nigeria, if you write nonsense, they go ban you. You know, say for Nigeria, even as balabas gist dey talk, they don dey poke nose. Who be this guy where they come they talk about Biafra issue? Who be this guy where they come they talk? Mona trace am o, mona catch am o, mona know am o. But by grace of Chukwu Okike Abiama, I no go see us catch, and we will always win una. So other news they collect am woto. If you try to report anything wey no be on their benefit or anything wey no be on their own side, e dey for problem for this government wey will enter. The balabun, they balabu everybody for there. Yeah, let's look into this particular Benga news where we get for our table. They say 15 years old header cut off Bauchi farmer hand with machete after destroying his farm, his crop in the farm. Hey, no be small thing. All these headers, whether no be the same belle wey una come outside with human being, wey be say una go dey cut people like crayfish and like this thing, cow. Even cow sef, una no dey even get mind cut una own cow, but na human being una dey slaughter like say they no be person. Whether na that milk and that cow una dey kpokpo for road, na dey give una this kind useless mind of things wey una dey do. Na so this farmer now no come get hand again. We go put the headline for here. More and see how this young man take lose his hand in the hand of this small boy, 15 years old boy. Things are really happening in North, and now that thing where they want same carry they go other state for inside Nigeria. Since we be say the people where they give them the cow no fit advise them not to destroy people's crop or to build a ranching station where we say where they go they keep their cow instead of giving cow to these small boys, and then they destroy things. They go no be small thing. Okay, my people, now so we see am this morning, and I will say move bring and come give una more and see wetin dey happen. Okay, now here we go end up for today. May you don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also go and turn on the notification button for YouTube for a quick update over there as it dey happen. So they bring and they come give you.